So this cat came into our house when our door was open, and he climbed in this box, and now we're playing with him. Whoa, he came out the top. He came out the tab. That was smart.
That was smart.
That was very smart.
Oh my gosh, he's hooked. It's hooked.
See, all you need with a cat is a bungee cord and a box.
I caught a cat.
Yay!
It's hooked.
Use the other end. He'll go for the other end, I betcha.
Okay.
Is he chewing on it?
The box there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, push it out.
There's his head. Hi, Tiger. We know his name because he used to come around a while ago and he had a collar on and his name was Tiger. I think he belongs to one of the neighbors.
Where are you, Tiger?
But he likes to come visit us.
Got your claw. Got your claw again.
I'd make him come out. Oh. We're getting mosquitoes in the house. Tiger! There you are, kitty. He's really cute, actually, too. I love these little tabby cats. So cute. You have to drag it hide.
It's not doing anything.
Look, click, click. Look like this. Always watching both sides. Wait for it. He wants to pounce. Nope, he got distracted. Here, you film. It's running. See? I'm pretty good at kitty playing. Are you ready to come out of your box? Huh? Are you ready? Are you ready to come out of your box? It's time to go. We're going to watch movies and stuff. Time to go play outside. Normally I don't condone an animal living outside, but he doesn't belong to us, so there's nothing we can do about it. Get out, moth. Anyway. Okay. Bye, guys. I have a kitty to lose.